Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Russell Retreat community located in Green Cove Springs, Florida. This community is being developed by Lennar, and today we're going to be touring their newest model. This is the Barbados II floor plan, which features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 3,223 square feet. If you're looking for a small community, this might be a good fit for you. This community will have approximately 50 homes. Here we're walking up to the entry door, 8-foot entry door with glass. All right, let's take a look inside. All right, here we are entering the foyer, and it's been staged with a bench here, giving us idea of the space. We're going to continue our tour here to the right. Bedroom 2. Dimensions for this bedroom, 12 by 12 feet. If you're wanting more information on the Russell Retreat community, the Lennar floor plans, or looking to move into the Green Cove Springs area or Northeast Florida area, I'd be happy to connect. Feel free to reach out, give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Now, it is important to have your agent at your first visit as required by builders. So please reach out to me before visiting any new developments. All right, and here this room connects to the bathroom. This is bathroom 2. You see here, homes will feature quartz countertops. This has the tile all the way to the ceiling, shower tub combo. Here we have a closet. Straight ahead is the dining room. It's a 2-story dining room. And this area has approximately 14 feet by 13 feet. Before continuing our tour over there, we're going to take a look at this bar. Now, this bar is probably the only thing that is not included in the home sales here. However, the person who built this bar, we'd be happy to connect you with them for a project after closing. Here is the laundry room. Russell Retreat is an electric community, so you do have a dedicated outlet here for an electric dryer. Straight ahead is the garage entry door. And then here is the pantry. Now we're going to take a look at the kitchen. So this island fits 4 bar stools here, and will include the gourmet style kitchen layout, where you're going to have the cooktop here and then a double oven. Single bowl sink with the gooseneck faucet, and then looks like there's a reverse osmosis connection there. Next we have the great room, and this room is approximately 15 feet by 18 feet. Before heading into the owner's suite, we're going to take a look at the lanai. All right, so here we have the covered lanai, screened in and pavered. This lanai is about 21 feet by 9 feet. Next we have the owner's suite. And this room is about 18 feet by 15 feet and includes 2 walk-in closets. Okay, we have 3 windows here, allowing lots of natural light. Right here we have the owner's bath. Okay, first walk-in closet here. Linen closet across. And 2 sinks, quartz countertops, walk-in shower. Okay, water closet. And there is a linen closet in here. And then across, another linen closet, so lots of storage. And then the second walk-in closet. All right, let's go take a look upstairs. Now the model on the first floor features 9-foot ceilings with 8-foot interior doors. We'll take a look at the upstairs and see the height there. Here's a coat closet. All right, so here we come into the loft. Okay, some space here for a pocket office, or as you can see here, it's been staged for a concession stand. And here, this loft area staged as a media room. It's a great hangout space. The loft is approximately 9 feet by 17 feet. We're going to continue our tour over here into bedroom 3. This room has 13 feet by 13 feet dimensions, 8-foot ceilings up here, and door height will be standard, 6 foot 8 inches. There to the left is the loft. And then here are the closets. So 2 closets in this bedroom, one here to the right and another one to the left. And this bedroom connects to bathroom 3. The linen closet here. Next is the shower tub combo. Water closet over here. Then another sink before entering bedroom 4. And bedroom 4 has approximately 13 feet by 12 feet dimensions. Walk-in closet. and then back into the loft area. If you'd like more information on the Russell Retreat community, Lennar homes, or looking to move to the Northeast Florida area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or an email. I'd love to connect. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.